Edward Smooth Walker here in the NBA studio live. I'm here with Toby Big Score, and I'm gonna be interviewing him today. So say hello, Toby. Hello, everybody. Well, Toby, how's your career in the NBA going? Well, Edward, you tell me. How am I doing? I'm doing pretty good. I'm still working out hard. I'm doing my best and everything. Well, if you look here, it will be showing your scores up here in the screen. And it looks pretty good to me. So tell me, how's your family, your boyfriend, kids, and everybody? Well, like I said, I'm good. My two kids, my son named Toby and my daughter named Daniela, well, they're doing pretty good too. And my wife is doing pretty good too. Well, Toby, that's good. That's good. That's really good. Tell your wife and kids I said hi. And this will be all for today, guys. Bye. This is Edward and Toby. Got any words, Toby? Well, I just want to say I love my fans. I will always try hard for them and try to keep them happy as possible as they could. And God bless all of y'all. I love you. Bye. Well, this is it, folks. I am Edward Smoothwalker here live in the NBA studio with the NBA legend Toby. Well, peace, guys. Bye. See ya next time.